So this is in the village school grounds. They're building another air raid shelter out of pipes. Yes, it'll protect from shrapnel, but obviously most air raid shelters, unless they're buried deep underground, are never going to protect from a direct hit. But at least the kids will have somewhere to crouch in the event of a flare-up between Thailand and Cambodia again.
Give me a money, please. Money.
That's an expatriate girl. Give me money, she said. So a couple there with the red and blue top. They are the headmaster and his wife. Someone's in charge of refreshments. There's always someone doing refreshments. Right, we'll see what this looks like later on today when I come back.